Hi, and welcome to this month's Pain Point. I'm Zach Satko, Account Director of globalHMA and Vice President at Workhorse Development, our sister company. This month I'd like to talk to you about one of my favorite topics, which is apps. Now, Google Play and the App Store through Apple have been available since 2008. Both have a respective 1.5 million apps available, and we're expected to see 170 billion apps downloaded by the end of 2015. Now, each year, both Apple and Google announce new features to their app ecosystems. These ecosystems, which are the software and hardware that the apps use to run, change and are ongoing every year. I had the opportunity to go to WWDC, which is Apple's Worldwide Developer Conference this year in June, and I'd like to talk about some of the features that'll be coming that'll be more exciting for marketers to reach their target audience. One of the most exciting new features this year is deep linking and contextual targeting. Now, what this means is marketers will be able to send ads and actually directly from Google search directly into a specific app screen or piece of content within your app. Not only will this make for a more personalized experience and make people be able to complete purchases better, but it will create a better ecosystem altogether. These deep links, if the person doesn't actually have the app on their phone, will actually send the person directly to Google Play or to the iTunes App Store, where they'll actually be able to download the app. So not only is it creating a more personalized experience, but it'll also help with download app conversions as well. Last year at WWDC 2014, Apple introduced a feature called Continuity. Now, Continuity let you do things like email or browse in Safari and pick it up on a different device. So you could be on your iPhone and browse the web and pick that up in the same browser with the same page on your Mac or your iPad. Now, to add to this fluid ecosystem, this year in iOS 9, which will be released in the fall, they're releasing a new feature called Predictability and Intelligence. Now, Predictability and Intelligence picks up on this and predicts what content you'll want before you even know it. Now, your device is getting even smarter, delivering what you want as you do a search, maybe providing tickets to a concert or something like that when you search for music. Now, marketers can take advantage of this by using things like location-based notifications and ads, and things like this that will make marketing to mobile users even easier. This year at WWDC 2015 and Google I/O 2015, both companies produced major updates for their wearables. At only 6 weeks old, Apple announced watchOS 2. Now currently, all the information from your iPhone relays to the watch, which can sometimes make for a slower and more clumsy experience. But a lot of this is going to change with watchOS 2. The apps will be native to the actual platform, and a lot of this will allow new things like custom complications, as well as glances that will make for a whole new and better experience for the users, as well as new targeting for marketers. Though it's not a new concept, apps are helping us reinvent the way that things are done, and we're seeing this a lot in the B2B world. We can now more easily target niche markets for brand awareness and lead generation. Now take, for example, the refrigeration market, where previously people were using pull-out paper charts where they had to scan and find the pressure and the temperature. Now we can have a mobile app that quickly calculates everything on the fly. Now people are using this app every single day and seeing your brand associated with that app that they pull out of their pocket every day. Thanks for joining me on this month's Pain Point Talk. I hope I've convinced you of the growing importance of mobile apps, and we'll see you next month for another great topic.